Welcome back, gamers! In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of PC gaming and show you how to build your very own gaming PC for under $1,000. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this guide will help you get the most bang for your buck. Let's get started. The first step in building your gaming PC is selecting the right processor, also known as the CPU. This is the powerhouse of your system and will determine its overall performance. For a budget-friendly build, we recommend going for a mid-range processor like the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X or the Intel Core i5-11600K. These processors offer excellent gaming performance without breaking the bank. Next up is the graphics card, or GPU. This is arguably the most crucial component for gaming, as it handles the rendering of your game's visuals. To strike a balance between performance and affordability, consider options like the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super or the AMD Radeon RX 5600 XT. These cards deliver impressive frame rates and can handle most modern games at 1080p resolution. Now let's talk about the motherboard. This is the main circuit board that connects all the components of your PC. When choosing a motherboard, make sure it's compatible with your chosen processor and has the necessary features for future upgrades. Look for options from reputable brands like Asus, Gigabyte, or MSI, and consider features like USB ports, expansion slots, and support for faster RAM. Memory, or RAM, is another crucial component that affects your PC's overall performance. Aim for at least 16 GB of DDR4 RAM with a speed of 3200 MHz or higher. This will ensure smooth multitasking and seamless gameplay. Remember, RAM prices can fluctuate, so keep an eye out for deals and discounts. Storage is important for storing your games, operating system, and other files. Consider investing in a solid-state drive, SSD, for faster load times and overall system responsiveness. A 500 GB SSD should be sufficient for your operating system and a few games, but you may also want to add a larger hard drive for additional storage space. The power supply unit, or PSU, is often overlooked, but plays a critical role in providing stable power to your components. Make sure to choose a reliable PSU with enough wattage to support your system's needs. Aim for a PSU with an 80+ bronze or higher efficiency rating to maximize power utilization. Lastly, you'll need a computer case to house all your components. Look for a case that suits your style and has good airflow and cable management options. Pay attention to factors like size, the number of included fans, and support for future upgrades. Some popular options include the NZXT H510, Cooler Master Masterbox MB511, and Fantex Eclipse P400A. Once you have all your components ready, it's time to assemble your gaming PC. Follow the manuals provided with each component and take your time to ensure everything is connected properly. Remember to ground yourself to prevent any static damage. Don't hesitate to consult online resources, tutorials, or forums if you need assistance. And there you have it, your very own gaming PC built for under $1,000. Now you can enjoy your favorite games with smooth performance, stunning visuals, and immersive experiences. Building a PC is not only cost-effective, but also a rewarding experience that allows you to customize your rig to suit your gaming needs. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you've built your own gaming PC using this guide, we'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming! Remember to include visuals of each component as they are being discussed, as well as the process of assembling the PC. This will help viewers better understand the steps and follow along if they decide to build their own gaming PC.